Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the series of SSB Simplified. So today in this video we are going to talk about what to carry in your backpack for SSB. Be it any journey when you're going for picnic or you're going for a trip or you're going for your college after vacations, the most important and the most interesting thing that anyone does is packing their bag. Packing their bag before a journey is one of the most interesting thing that we'd like to do always, like purchasing the items, what we need to do, checking whether all the things are there or no. So today in this video I'm going to help you pack your bag for SSB. So let's get started. First and foremost, if you have all these things, then you can manage somehow. That's all the certificates required. It may be 10th marks card, 12th marks card, or your degree marks card. I don't know about the degree, if you're going for degree SSB and all that. And then your passport size photos. More than 10 will be needed only if you get recommended, or else 10 is more than enough. I think they tell you to get around 24 photos. 24 photos are of no use. If you're sure you'll get recommended, take more than 10. Initially you'll be needing 4-5, and if you get recommended for medical forms and all, you need around 7 to 8 photos. And it's better if you take 2 to 3 Xerox copies of all the certificates, because you'll be needing to attest those certificates, and if you want to give those certificates other places also, and you need at least 2 to 3 Xerox copies, and your Aadhaar card. It's the most important thing. You need it anywhere. Your travel ticket, if it's for the first time, you will get double the money back. I mean to say, they'll give you your to and fro journey money back if you have traveled by train. I think if you have traveled by bus also, and they gave money during Air Force SSB. They gave money if you travel by flight also. I think economy class, and enough money. I cannot decide how much money is enough for you. And so what all need to be in your bag? First you need to have a bag, and then a small lock and key. If you are very careful about your belongings, I never did that. So if you are very careful about your belongings, you can take a lock and key. They'll be giving you mostly cupboards or small rack like things where you can keep your things and lock if you want. And a pair of white shoes and black shoes. A pair of white shoes and black shoes are necessary and must. White shoes for your GTO, and black shoes for you on the day of your screening, and on the day of your interview, and on the day of your conference. And when you're going out also, you can wear white or black, any of them. And 2 pair of white and black socks. 2 pair I suggest, because one is fine though. If you play a lot in the evening and go for outings on all the days, then your socks might smell a bit. So you need 2 pairs, but if you can wash them, one is enough. That's if you aren't too lazy. Then a pair of sleeper sandals or any casual shoes, so that inside the dormitories and inside your barracks or billets you can use them. Then I prefer taking 3 light colored full sleeve shirt. Take full sleeve shirt for your screening day and conference day, and during your interview, and during your psychology day. On all these 4 days you'll need to wear full sleeve shirt. Better if it's light colored. Don't take a dark, don't keep the dress as formal as you can. Don't take very heavy colors, very attractive colors like mixed checks and all that. Don't wear those. Try to prefer light colored full sleeve t-shirt, and 2 to 3 dark colored trousers, black or brown, and anything of your choice. Go something. If you have some other combination, go ahead, but try to keep the dress as formal as you can. A tie and a blazer, not necessary. If you have, you can carry it. And white shorts, 1 or 2. 2 will just increase your luggage, and you can preferably, if you have one, you can preferably wash it in the after the first day duty, because they get completed by around 11-12 o'clock. So you'll have all the time in the world till the next day to wash your clothes and let them dry. And 2 t-shirts and track lowers or any casual pants that you can comfortably play games in the evening, like basketball, TT, snooker, volleyball. You get to play a lot of games there. They have their ante rooms where you can play indoor games and outdoor games, basketball, volleyball. You can play there. So it's good if you take t-shirts and casual pants and go. Then shaving your beard is necessary, so carry your shaving kit if you have a beard in first case, and if that grows too long to be noticed in a day or two. It's only for men. And other basic items that you need and are necessary, whatever you feel are necessary and you can carry. No need to carry any beddings, as they are all taken care by the SSB center. They give all your beddings, blanket, bedsheet and all that. So that's it. And don't make your luggage very heavy, as you'll have a tough time carrying it back home when you get screened out or conferenced out, and you'll have to travel in general. So you have to take care of your luggage, and if the luggage is too heavy, you'll face a lot of difficulties. So that's it. That's the backpacking for your SSB. Any items I missed out and you feel are important, let me know in the comment section below. I'll approve it if it's that important. And that's it. Plus, to make much more simpler videos, be consistent, you can download the presentation from the link given in the description below. And if the videos are worth watching, consider subscribing to my channel and share it with all your buddies. That's it. Thank you. And about me, I think you know me by now. I have almost made 7 to 8 videos in this series called as SSB Simplified. Do check the other videos if you haven't checked. And that's it. It's me, Guru Prasad Veeran Navaru, signing off from you guys. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.